Today I share with you how to make goat meat stew. This stew is for everyone to try. It was just easy and delicious, and this is going to be your Christmas stew if you follow this process. First, you are going to be needing tomato, and first of all, you have to get rid of the seed. So next, you are going to be needing red bell pepper. So add in the pepper and then add in these onions. So after adding the onions, what I add now is this paprika powder. Then add in hot pepper. Don't add in any water. Just cover this to cook for 5 minutes. On this pot, I'm going to be adding goat meat, guys. So here I have goat meat. Then the same time, I'm going to be adding this chicken. So season that with onions, Maggi seasoning, nut cube. Then add in this chicken seasoning. Then add in salt to taste, and then I'm going to be adding water. So after adding the water, all I do is to get that to stir together. So I will stir until everything gets combined. So now that it has get combined, all I'm going to do is to cover the meat to cook for just 10 minutes. It's going to be ready. 10 minutes later, this is the meat. It cooks so nice at this point. It's not that strong meat, guys. It cooks so amazing at this point. So I'll go to bring everything out from the stock water. This was just so delicious, guys. It was so delicious. So I bring everything out here. So what I do next, after bringing it out, I'm going to keep the meat aside. Look how it cooks so nice. It cooks so amazing. Back to the tomato, guys. At this point, the tomato has cooked, so I have that to cool down for 2 minutes. Then I'm going to use this my food mix to get that processed. So I did not add in inside the blender anymore. I just processed that like this with this my hand mixer, and it was so amazing. On this pot, I'm going to be adding this oil, that is cooking oil. Then adding this plantain. So this plantain just go well with the food, guys. So I just happy that I fried this plantain along with the recipe. It was everything. So what I do now is to get that fried until it have golden brown color like this. So I'm just going to bring that out from the oil. So just keep that aside like this. It fries so nice. So on the same pot, guys, I'm going to be adding this meat. So that is the meat we cook. I'm going to pour everything back inside the oil. So guys, at this point, if you are following this recipe, know the exact oil that you are going to add in. Don't add in that much oil, guys, because this the oil, everything is going to proceed inside your stew. So this is how the oil and the meat has fried so nice. So what I'm doing now is just going to turn it back inside the stew like this. So guys, this stew don't need that oil like that, okay? So you don't need that much oil. So just pour everything, add the Maggi seasoning, and then add in the meat stock and stir together. So guys, this is just the best way to enjoy your goat meat stew. Like, there is no any other stew that you are going to taste after processing your stew like this. You are going to love it. So what we are doing now is just to cook for last moment. About 10 minutes your stew is going to be ready like this. Oh my goodness, it sounds so amazing, and it was so milky. Like, if you dey eat this stew, be like say milk dey your mouth. It's too sweet. So you are going to serve that with white rice, guys. All you have to do is to share this video and follow this process. Then add in that already fried plantain. Look how gorgeous this look. It's looking so delicious. So serve that and then pour in the stew, guys. Look at your goat meat stew. This is what you need for Christmas. Your family, everyone around you is going to appreciate you for this recipe. Just follow this process and try this stew. You are going to love it. Bye.